Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to effectively and quickly search for those top contracts online. So as per usual, we're going to use Spiderweb's research software to help us with this. So if you haven't downloaded this software, pause this video and download it now. We use it extensively throughout this course. So now that you have Spiderweb's open in front of you, I want you to scroll down to job search here. Click on job search and then add all. Now, depending on your location, you may want to remove a number of these. For example, Gumtree Australia may not be that relevant for you if you are in the UK, and there are a few different US based websites here. What I need you guys to do, first of all, is to post in the discussion section of this video. I want you to post your favorite websites for searching for online jobs. Please post that and I can add them to the software, so the software will be much easier for you to use. And that way you won't have to add your own websites in the custom section here. But so send me post a comment on the discussion section with your favorite online job websites. So now I'm going to use this as an example. I'm going to remove Career Builder, Gumtree UK, LinkedIn, and Monster. So I want these four websites to search for jobs, the top copywriting jobs online. So I'm going to set this as tilde F1, and I'm going to click to save. And now, if you go over here, you'll notice that we have a whole range of different jobs paying over 150k per year. Now, this may be useful if you want to browse through each one of these categories, or the relevant ones which will be advertising, arts and media, or marketing and communications. However, we want to do it a smarter way. So let's find an actual writing job description. So here we have a content writer. Now we can highlight this, and remember we set the hotkey at tilde F1. So we highlight the content, press tilde F1, and we instantly search for content writer across all of these different websites. And you see that we have online content writer, content producer, writer, and social media native, etc., etc. And this is how we can filter through all of these different job descriptions. For example, $20 an hour. Now, that's not really high enough to be considered a top copywriting contract, in my opinion. It may be, and if you want to go after those lower paying contracts, that's fine. But what this course is all about is finding those high paying contracts. And you can see that we've searched for content writer across all of these different websites. Very, very useful for quickly finding jobs. Quickly finding jobs that you can apply to immediately. So that was this video, a very short video, where I wanted to show you guys how you can easily and quickly search for jobs, search for these contracts online, these top paying copywriting contracts. So thanks again, guys. Once again, I want to remind you, please post your favorite job seeking websites in the discussion section of this video lecture, and I'll add them to the software so you can actually use the websites that you found useful in the past. So thank you once again. If you have any feedback for me whatsoever, please leave a message again in the discussion section. If you like the video, if you like the course, please give it a 5-star rating, and we'll talk soon in the next video.